Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a master student major in medical devices. I love sports like basketball and jumping. Today, I want to walk you through something I found pretty interesting. It's quite dive into the analysis of Olympic sprint times and how men and women have been performing in the 200 meters race over the past century. So here's the idea. I looked at the winning time in the 200 meter sprint for both male and female athletes from 1900 all the way to 2024. Basically, I want to find out, are women catching up to men in sprint performance? And if yes, when could that happen? Okay, to do this, I use Python, especially the scikit-learn library, to apply linear regression. If you haven't used it before, it's just a way to draw a best fit line through your data points. What I found for the first part from 1900 to 2000, the regression function for men and women are listed at the upper left, and the scatter graph from original data is at the lower left. At the right is the result after we considering regression line. That basically tell us that where both men and women were getting faster, women were improving at a quicker rate. And based on the trend, the two lines were predicted to intersect around 2052. Yep, women could theoretically catch up to men in sprint times. What happened when we add the latest Olympic data from 2004 to 2024? After researching from latest record, which I list them at the chart on the left, then do the same process as before. The result before and after the update are placed together with a semi-transparent layer for easy compression. Well, for the men, the trends stay pretty consistent, but for the women, things change a lot. So, yeah, there's quite a bit of scatter, and the line doesn't fit data nearly as well. With this new data included, the predicted year that women would catch up to the men got pushed way back to 2268. So instead of catching up soon, it now looks more like a sci-fi future scenario. What message you can take home? Well, first, earlier data can be misleading if you try to extrapolate too far ahead. Second, new data at age really matters. Even just six extra data points totally shifted the whole story. And lastly, while linear regression is super useful, it's not always reliable when predicting long-term trend. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the sprint through Olympic history as much as I did. Thanks for listening.